The general equation of quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If a is greater than 0, we have U-shaped graph. Okay, that is for a is greater than 0. And for a is greater than 0, that means the a is positive. So looking at this example, we'll say that the coefficient of x squared is positive there. So we have a U shape, which is 1. Coefficient of x squared is 1. Okay, looking at another one, if a is less than 0, we have a n-shaped graph. Okay, and if a is less than 0, the implication is that a is negative. Okay, let us look at this example. So coefficient of x squared is minus 5, which is negative. So it gives n shape. Now let's solve this question. Suppose x squared plus 2x minus 48 is greater than 0. Okay, to solve this, it's a quadratic equation. With x squared multiply minus 48 give us minus 48x squared. So we'll find the value of 48 here. Yeah, 48, 2. So we get all the values of 48. So meaning that we can say 2 times 2 is 4. And the remaining 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. So 4 times 12 is equals to 48. Okay. We can also have 2 times 6 there. 2 times 3 there rather give us 6. And 2 times 2 times 2 there give us 8. 6 times 8 is also 48. Okay. We can also take 2 there times the remaining one there. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 there, which is 24, give us 48 as well. These are all the possibilities of 48. We can also take 3. Okay, 3 times the remaining one there, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. So it can also be 3 times 16. So we have 3 times 16 also give us 48. So we can also take 48 itself times 1 will also give us 48. These are all the possibilities that give us 48, but we need the one that will give us plus 2, the one in the middle in our equation. We can see now, we can only have whether if we subtract 6 and 8, it can give us the plus 2 we are having there. Okay, we have plus 6x there, and we have the 8x there. To get the plus 2, we have to have plus 8x and minus 6x. And at the end of the day, we give us plus 2x, which is the one in the middle there. Okay? If you multiply it together, it will give us minus 48x squared. So in this case, once the coefficient of x squared is 1, we don't need to factorize further. We can just get factorization direct, the factors rather. So it become x minus 6 and x plus 8. Minus 6 there, and there, plus 8 there. So you can only apply this when the coefficient of x squared is 1, please. Everything equals to 0. X minus 6 equals to 0, or x plus 8 equals to 0. X is equals to 6, or x is equals to minus 8. Then we draw our graph. We have the minus 8 there, one of our roots there. We have the plus 6 there. the second root there. So we have a U-shaped graph, U-shaped parabola. Okay. X squared plus 2x minus 48, which is what we have been given. Let's say it's y. Okay. And that means y is greater than 0. And for y is greater than 0, that is it's positive. And that's the positive. Okay. For y is less than 0, these are the area. For y is less than from the origin there down there. That's the negative y-axis. So, but since our y is positive, so x is greater than 6 there, or x will be less than minus 8 there. This gives us the final answer. X greater than 6 or x less than minus 8. Now the second question, solve 2x squared minus x minus 15 is less than or equals to 0. So here 2x squared will multiply minus 15. It will give us 2x squared multiply minus 15 will give us minus 30x squared. So we are going to find the factors of minus 30, minus 6x, and plus 5x. These two factors, when we multiply together, it will give us minus 30x squared. Minus 6x plus 5x will give us minus x there. So 2x squared. So we are going to replace minus x there with minus 6x and plus 5x. So minus 6x plus 5x will give us that minus x there. So we still have minus 15. We'll put minus 15 there. We first equate it to 0 to find the values of x. Let's equate it to 0 first. Okay. And we group them. 2x squared minus 6x. We also group them. 5x minus 15x is equals to 0. So what is common here now is 2x. So it remains x minus 3 plus what is common here is 5. It also remains x minus 3 here equals to 0. Okay. You can now see that the x minus 3 and x minus 3 there, both of them are common. So we factorize that one out. So, and we have 2x there remaining there plus 5. Okay, is equals to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to 0, or 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so x is equals to 3. And then 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to 3, or x is equals to minus 5 over 2. So when we divide everything there by 2, so we have x is equals to 3, or x is equals to minus 2.5. Okay, now we draw our graph. The solution is x is equals to 3 and minus 2.5. X is equals to minus 2.5. Okay. We draw the graph. Okay, we have our graph there. Y is positive in those side and it's negative down there. From origin up there, y-axis is positive, and from origin down there, y-axis is negative. Okay, so but the entire thing we are given here, the y, let us say our quadratic is y, but the condition is that it's less than or equals to 0, meaning that it's negative. Okay, so this would be our solution here. Okay, it means that the solution is that your x runs from minus 2.5 to 3. So minus 2.5 is less than or equals to, because that's the condition, less than or equals to the x, and the x is less than or equals to 3. That is the solution of the question given to us.